E5 is a financial management system. It's a huge financial management system. It's over 25 years old. It was based on COBOL, but it uses a proprietary development language, which means that it can be run on a number of operating systems and databases. We were getting questions from customers as to could we provide this in the cloud, so with the current Meta anywhere, wherever and whenever. However, the way that E5 works on-premise, it is so large that it takes 2 to 3 weeks to implement and configure. And that was no good for customers who wanted a deployment where they just want it spun up and they want it to work there and then. We already had a solution with over 25 years worth of code and over 110 million lines worth of generated COBOL. And it was going to take a large investment to be able to change that into a new product. Traditionally, it takes 2 to 5 years to actually get a mature FMS, and we already had 25 years worth of experience, so the ability to create a new one or use the existing, it seemed to be a no-brainer. We decided to go with the Docker ability because the Docker containers means that it's easy to adapt and improve the performance and ability for customers to scale. And we currently have what would be one E5 product is 20 to 25 Docker containers, and we can scale up or down depending on what each customer requires. We decided to go with Amazon Web Services as our cloud provider, as they're one of the industry's leading providers. Visual COBOL's ability for us to work in the Docker has meant that DevOps-wise, we are now in a position where we can auto-generate pipelines nightly. So therefore we can go from any fixes which have been provided by support and released during a day, they get automatically included into the systems and they'll be available for QA the next day. The change to the deployment in the cloud means that now when we take on a new customer and we want to onboard them, we can do that within minutes, as opposed to previously it could be a day to weeks depending on the complexity of that customer. Our choice of COBOL over 25 years ago and their ability to help us and support us through the last 25 years has meant that we've been able to evolve and progress from a traditional on-site installations into the cloud and to deploy the system as we would think our customers would want in the future.